Iranian-backed Houthi rebels have unsuccessfully targeted U.S. Navy warships in the Red Sea and Gulf of Yemen with missiles and drones. The U.S. Navy's destroyers have shot down numerous threats, but the cost of using anti-aircraft missiles far exceeds the cost of the Houthi drones and missiles. Congress has supported laser technology development as a cost-effective defense solution, but current lasers lack the power and range for immediate deployment on warships. Future improvements could see lasers integrated into a layered defense system, supplementing existing close-in weapons like the Phalanx CIWS. How lasers could revolutionize U.S. Navy's missile defense. Though the Iranian-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen haven't successfully hit a U.S. warship in the Red Sea or Gulf of Yemen with a missile or unmanned aerial systems (UAS), it hasn't been for lack of trying. United States Navy destroyers have shot down dozens of inbound kamikaze drones and multiple missiles. It was just last year that one missile came within a mile of the United States Navy's Arleigh Burke-class destroyer USS Gravely, DDG-107, mere seconds from striking the warship. Then, as the U.S. has been successful in countering every missile and drone to date, the Houthis could be winning, at least in monetary terms. As Politico.com reported in December, the Pentagon has expressed concerns as to how it costs taxpayers around $2 million to employ an anti-aircraft missile to shoot down a $2,000 drone. Even the missiles being employed by the Houthis have a price tag less than the air defense missiles used to counter them. The airborne ballistic laser program was first initiated in the 1970s, and then was pushed aggressively during the George W. Bush administration, Defense News reported. However, cost overruns and technical challenges caused the program to ultimately be downgraded. Lasers are in development. Currently, several efforts are underway to develop anti-missile and/or anti-drone lasers. These included Lockheed Martin's Layered Laser Defense, LLD, a ground-based high-power laser weapon system that the defense giant claims is capable of countering targets ranging from unmanned aerial systems and fast attack boats to cruise missiles. It was just last year and again this year that the UK's Ministry of Defence, MOD, announced a successful test firing of its Dragonfire, a line-of-sight laser-directed energy weapon, LDEW, that can still engage any visible target, including extremely small ones. It was reportedly able to strike a 1-pound coin from a distance of up to a kilometer away. In addition to its extreme accuracy, the platform can engage targets at the speed of light, while its intense beam of light can cut through the target. It was just last year and again this year that the UK's Ministry of Defence, MOD, announced a successful test firing of its Dragonfire, a line-of-sight laser-directed energy weapon, LDEW, that can still engage any visible target, including extremely small ones. It was reportedly able to strike a 1-pound coin from a distance of up to a kilometer away. In addition to its extreme accuracy, the platform can engage targets at the speed of light, while its intense beam of light can cut through